You just had a high protein meal or you're trying to rack up your protein intake. Let's talk about what happens in the body after you ingest protein. Proteins are made up of amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein. So imagine each of these are building blocks. This is an amino acid. This is an amino acid. They all come together to make a protein. And these proteins in our bodies have multiple fascinating functions. Proteins can come together to form a framework, a mesh. Think of like a web, and think of webs all on top of each other. They perform a nice cushion framework for your cells to sit on. So, in that case, proteins are providing structural support for your cells, structural support for your cells in your lung, structural support for your cells in your heart, even structural support for your cells in your brain. Proteins can provide structural support. In that way, proteins also can help build new muscle. And we need muscle in order to perform our daily functions. We need muscle to support our bone. So they are not only providing support for cells, but entire tissue frameworks like our muscle relies heavily on protein availability. Proteins also act like messengers. So think like an Amazon or a UPS or a post office, a FedEx. Proteins are the messengers in our body, giving signals to our cells on what to do, whether to divide, grow, form new molecules, express new proteins in order for fuel processes to happen, like glycolysis, like the mitochondria, which provides us energy. But it also provides messages like there's danger, there's inflammation, there's things that need to be repaired. Proteins are messengers from cell to cell, and they can actually augment the environment within our cells. So imagine if you're not eating enough of proteins, if you don't have that and you're not ingesting it, you don't have enough available in your body. You don't have it available to send messages from cell to cell. You don't have the support for your cells and the nice tissue framework if you're not eating protein. It's like you have a text message that you want to send to your friend to tell them to get home in time so they don't miss a great meal, but the message never gets sent. That's what happens if we don't